In a few months, I'm probably going to be looking at teaching the Merkabah class again, or actually facilitating the Merkabah class again, because this was definitely given to me from Isis. Throughout the years of teaching the Merkabah class, I actually have seen such transformation taking place, not only in myself, but all those that have attended. So I am planning on offering this by next year sometime. But in the meantime, I would like to do another channeling with her. The last time I channeled her, it was just this incredible message. She just always has great messages. She has a good spirit to feel when I let that flow through me. So why not do this again? I hope you all enjoy this. All right, here we go again. It is I, Isis. I am still very fond of this name. And until I choose to change it, this is the name that I will be known by through channeling with Suzanne. How is it that you are all owning your own personal beingness? How is it going for you individually and even collectively? Because in truth, there is no difference between the two. One is the all and all is the one. As you allow yourself to open up to your own spirit, where you give it a place to reside inside your body, inside your soul, inside your emotions. Emotions is a big deal because emotions create the rest of this. The rest of this structure that you call Earth. So how much room are you giving your spirit to reside in you? How much does your spirit bring to you? Your choices and decisions. Guess what? It always does. It always obeys because it only knows one being. So what are you receiving? What are you experiencing? How are you being? There are abilities that I want to share with you that allow you to make structure appear before you. In order to do so, though, you must have a firmer foundation, a secure foundation to trust on as you allow the structure to form in front of you. Otherwise, you will think of yourself as not okay mentally. So I'm coming back to the original. How much room are you giving your spirit to live within you? Do you let your spirit choose for you? As you've heard the phrase, what spirit do you think they're in? What spirit is in you? And it's really a simple thing. In the world of duality, you think there's yes and no and good and bad and all the rest of it, but it's really a lot more simple than that. Are you in the spirit of the whole? Are you at one with yourself? And that you will feel, that you will know. Because when you know this for yourself, you have complete clarity of the heavens flowing through you as you, of the earth being heavenly to you. So how much of your whole spirit is allowed to reside in you? How does that happen? How does that expand? How do you know? Guess what? Do you feel love for yourself? Do you just feel love? Do you know the power of feeling this love? This emotion of love for yourself. It doesn't come into you. it creates from you. There is a big difference for knowing this is true. Love is the fountain within you that is your spirit. How much of your whole spirit is allowed to reside in your daily living? How much of your whole spirit gets to make choices of what you're going to be doing next? Or even better said, of what you are going to receive being next. Who's the creator in you? Is it your spirit? If it is, you'll feel the love for it. And if it's not, feel the love and you will receive it. It will grow from feeling love. It expands. It does not fight with anything. It does not need to. But it comes alive by the feeling of love. That is the one system that it all works upon. And as you feel the love of your whole spirit, you will see the whole environment being subservient to that. You will access realms beyond your capabilities when your spirit isn't open enough to recognize. You're the one that opens the valve for the spirit. You are the individual control that controls everything else from this receptive feeling of the spirit being alive, well, and having being in not only your physical body, but more importantly, your emotions. That's where it originates from. That's what it is the emotion of love. And so whatever has brought you to this place to listen to this, feel for your spirit. See if you can notice where it is in your body. And if you're not sure it even exists, ask it to show you that it exists. You would not have breath on this earth if you had no spirit. And let everyone else out of that peripheral view of yourself for a second. Allow yourself to go within and feel. Feel where that love is. Feel where your spirit is alive. And when you can find that little spot, stay there for a minute. And if you don't think you have a spot, allow yourself to trust that the heavens will provide that for you, that the angels will assist you in opening it up. But you must, even at this point, give permission by opening up to receiving that. And this is a dance between heaven and yourself, because the whole spirit never feels divided within itself. And yet within your own human self, you feel a lot of separation. And yet you are a creator. So allow yourself to feel for yourself. Otherwise you think everybody else gets to create your world. And that's not where your spirit resides for you. It will go out there, but the core is always in wholeness and centeredness within your own being. And as you feel your Holy Spirit as you, feel that spirit actually lifting up into more parts of your body. You might feel it in your chest as a swelling, as an expanding of pride, and that feeling of loved, and that feeling of joy, and that feeling of being so appreciative of being yourself. Stay there if you can feel that. Stay there feeling that until it expands into a new area for you. Feel the appreciation of being yourself and your spirit coming alive within you. And if you can, allow that spirit to just expand out, feeling it through your throat, and let it go up into your third eye. This gives you images of what you've created and feeling, what you've already chosen and decided. Allow yourself to let it go up into your third eye so that you can have inner seeing, that you can sense from your inner place of your whole spirit of what creating is going to be next for you. This image might appear to be just a purple and a black. You might not see anything at all, but just let it go up there. The Spirit knows how to open and feel love for your visual, feel love for your imaging abilities. Just feel love for you. And now I'm going to give you an assignment, if you so choose to accept it. Allow your whole spirit to expand within your body until we speak again. And each time, let it go up more towards the heavens, your third eye, and let it also float down and come into Mother Earth so that you know that you are heavenly human, that your whole being is whole, not separate pieces of itself, but whole and holy. Those two are exactly the same. Your Holy Spirit is your whole spirit. And the bigger you allow the Spirit to reside within you, the more cohesive you will see your world become. And those abilities for you to create at will become strengthened through this one Spirit. It allows this feeling that you have within yourself create around you too. But for right now, allow your spirit to reside in your body fully. And that is it for now. You get too far ahead of yourself and you make it hard and complicated. And that is not the point of this exercise. This exercise is for you to actually feel how lovely it is to be you. So as you are feeling that, enjoy that presence, those presents. And as it feels hard, open up to the presence of your spirit of love. You are more than you have given yourself permission to be. It is time for you to reside in your Holy Spirit and watch your physicalness wrap itself around you filled with light. That is all for now. Own yourself, own your abilities, and most importantly, own your Holy Spirit.